Take a ride in the 2015 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power door locks, cloth upholstery, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.